In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove page numbers in Google Docs. This is perfect when you're preparing a cover page, a resume, a flyer, or any document where page numbers just get in the way. And the great news is that it's quick, clean, and takes only a few moments. Start by opening the document you want to edit from your Google Drive. Once it's open, look for the page number. Page numbers usually live in the header or the footer, so check the very top or the very bottom of the page. Depending on how the document was set up, the number might be aligned to the top right, bottom center, or another corner. If you don't see it immediately, scroll a little and watch for a small number in a slightly grayed style. That's the page number field. Now place your cursor directly to the right of that number. If you can't click it right away, double click in the header or footer area to activate it, then try again. With the cursor positioned just after the number, press the backspace key on your keyboard. On some keyboards, the delete key will have the same effect if your cursor is just before the number. You'll see the number disappear instantly because page numbers are part of the header or footer. Removing one typically removes them throughout the entire document at once. If your document uses section breaks or a different header or footer for the first page, the numbering may be independent in those areas. In that case, simply repeat the same delete action in that specific section's header or footer. You're not changing your document's content, only the page numbering field, so all your text, images, and formatting remain safe. That's really it. Give the document a quick scroll from top to bottom and confirm that the numbers are gone wherever you intended. If you plan to share or print, a quick preview is helpful to make sure your layout still looks exactly the way you want without the numbering. Removing the number won't affect margins or spacing, but if you had other header or footer content, you'll still see that remain in place. A couple of tips before we wrap up. If your cursor selects more than just the number, click once to deselect and then click right next to the number to avoid deleting anything else. And if you change your mind later, you can always add page numbers back and keep working without losing a thing. And that's all you need to remove page numbers in Google Docs. Thanks for watching and enjoy your clean number-free document.